everyone. In this video, I am discussing about the difference between is keyword and has keyword. So, what is keyword and has keyword? Why we will use and what the purpose of this? What is the difference between them? Is and as keyword is used for typecasting in C sharp, where we want to convert one data type to another data type. So, there are many ways to convert this, but is and as also do this, and there have some feature in this and some difference in between them. Both will do same work, but they have do in different ways. So these two keyword is used in C# for typecasting, that is cast one data type to another data type. This is called explicit typecasting, where we convert parent data type, parent class to child class. And one another is called implicit typecasting, where we convert child data type to parent data type automatically. So let's start from an example. First of all, I demonstrate the is example in C sharp. I will create a class, abstract class, parent, parent class. We have one method, parent common method. So this is line. Okay, this is a class in that is create another class child one, and you extend from parent class. This will have a function child one method right line child one method, and I will create another class child two, extended from parent class. This will also have a method child two method console dot write line method. So I create a one parent class and two child class. It is stand from parent class. So this is a method we create static void is keyword example, where this will accept a parent object. Now I implement a condition obj is child one, then obj dot parent common method and obj. Oh, that's this child obj. We have only parent common method. We will use this dot parent common method child obj dot child one common method, and if obj is child two to child one object child to obj child to obj dot parent common method child to obj dot child to common method, and so I will call the parent class parent new child 1 is keyword example parent parent is equal to new child 2 is keyword parent. So console dot read key. We will start this. So let's start. What will happen? So first of all, this method is run and this will call parent common method and child one method. Second time parent common method and child two method. So what will this? You can see that is keyword is used in typecasting, and they have a main feature in this is keyword check whether a given type obj is a compatible with this given type child one. If if given type is compatible this child one type, then it will return true, and otherwise it will return false. So this is an is keyword. This will check if a data type is compatible with given type, and it will easily cast, then it will return true, and after that it will automatically cast to this data type. Now we get that child 1 is an obj is it automatically cast to child 1 object. So this is do is keyword. I repeat this, is keyword is used to typecasting in C# where this obj object is compatible this child one. If this compatible, then it will return true. So is keyword is used to typecasting where whether the data type is compatible with given data type, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. And if it is compatible with this data type, then it will automatically cast to this object, so that we will use this. Basically they do two functionality, two feature. One feature is that it will check whether it will cast to this data type, and other feature is that it will automatically cast to this respective data type if it will return true. So this is the is keyword where I pass obj. In obj I pass a children one object, and this will check the obj is children one, then this will cast to this and display this method, that is parent common method and child one method. Second time I pass a child 2 method, call this method, this will return false, and this will return print to this parent common method and parent child one 2 method. I place a debugger here. I will start this. I pass a child one object. So this is a console app dot to dot child one. I pass parent. So this will cast to this, and this will return false. Second time I cast this will return false, and this will return true. Because of that, obj is compatible with child 2 data type, and it will cast to child 1, then it will return true. So this is the is keyword will do. Is keyword will do what is the functionality of this will cast one data type to another data type, and it will check if one data type is compatible with given data type, that it will return true, otherwise it will return false. if this data type is compatible with this data type, then it will automatically cast to this object. So this is the is keyword will do. So the what is the as keyword? As keyword is also used for typecasting in C sharp. Here we convert this data type to child data type, but in each keyword, this keyword will check whether data type convert to this data type and return true or false, return boolean value. And is as keyword is only check whether this data type is compatible with this, then it will automatically cast, otherwise it will return null. So this is the main difference between is and as keyword, is that is keyword is return a boolean value that indicates that this will cast to this data type or not, and as keyword will return null value or casting value, that is indicate that if this data type is convert to this data type, then it will cast automatically this, and otherwise it will return null to this value. So I demonstrate with this, also with this example. I comment out this. I will call parent method obj has child 1, child 1, child is equal. I will pass a parent child 1 to child 2. Also this is child 2, that is obj convert to child 1, and this will do if child 1 is not equal to null, child dot common method child 1 parent method child 2, child 2 is equal to obj as child 2 if child 2 is not equal to null, then child 2 dot parent common method and child 2 dot child 2 dot child method. So what will do is this. So that is I will pass parent method, then this will cast obj to child, and it will not return value because we passed child 1 and it is compatible this. So this line will print, that is it will carry a null. This will null value because obj is not compatible with child 2 object, so it will return null value. Second time is that this will return null value, and this is compatible with this, so it will use this. So that is parent method, child 1 method. So this is the main difference between is keyword and as keyword, is that is keyword and as keyword is all used for typecasting C sharp, where we convert one data type to another data type explicitly, that is parent data type to child data type. And the difference is that is keyword will return boolean value, that indicate that if a given data type is compatible and castable to this given data type, it is true, then it will automatically cast to this data type and we will use this, otherwise it will return false. So as keyword is also used in this purpose. It will also cast from one data type, parent data type, to child data type, where it will check that if this data type is convertible to child data type, then it will cast to this. So we will use this, and after that, if this will not compatible with this will not throw an exception. This will return a null value. So this is the main difference between is and as keyword. So I hope you are understand this. Please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon button to get more videos and like my videos. Thanks.